heard that there's no inventory, which is 100% true. Maybe you're out shopping looking for a new construction home, but realized they're not going to be ready till summer or fall. Well, do I have a treat for you, located right here in 12 Oaks in the lovely community of Holly Springs. Let's go take a look and I'll tell you a little bit more about this beautiful home. Let's go. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath, just over 2,500 square foot home built in 2020. Picture yourself living here, making your cup of coffee in the morning from this built-in Keurig machine, which, by the way, conveys with the home. Let's check out this beautiful gourmet kitchen. It's got a beautiful chevron tile backsplash, a lovely gas cooktop, designer cabinets, and my personal favorite, your stainless steel farmhouse sink. I could see myself enjoying my coffee in the morning right by the fireplace. I also want to point out these lovely hardwood floors and all this amazing light pouring right in here. I don't know about you, but I could see myself calling this home. It has a downstairs bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom. Upstairs, you have a spacious loft, owner's suite with a designer bathroom, and 2 secondary bedrooms. All that's missing in this home is you. Give me a call today, set up your own private showing before this one flies off the market.